Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. How I learned to be a performer while being an introvert. Many people think that most advanced, most glorious performers, singers, public speakers, superstars, that they are extroverts. But it does not have to be the case. First of all, we have to understand the layers of being an introvert or an extrovert. For example, I have been all my life a person with a vivid imagination, and I tend to avoid people and I tend to ignore them by default. When there's a group like 8 people, 6 people, I am usually the quiet one, or usually I avoid such groups. I go do my own stuff, I hang out somewhere. But when there's an audience who all are willing to listen, then I'm a natural performer. Then I just have to step up and I'm doing my thing. No problems. But whilst being an introvert in small scale interactions and by default, I have learned that actually that is not the case, that I must not define myself that do I like to be outgoing or no, because I'm a really good communicator and I love interactions with people, and I have learned how I can utilize my own strengths whilst being in small groups or even giving a performance. And first rule is to understand that I have always something to share. I was thinking so long that I have nothing special to say, or that I must think of something that I could stand out. But no, I can just relax and be in my role. And when I feel, I can step out of my role and do whatever I want. So it's all about opinions. And it takes some time of not to learn not to care what other people are thinking of me or of you. One of the strongest exercises to learn being unopinionated, so being free of the attachment to the opinion of other people, is getting rejected. I was so afraid for so many years that I get rejected by girls I was encountering or by my mates, that they will not like me anymore when I do something that is not suitable for them. But then I changed my life radically. I changed the environment where I was hanging out. I changed the surroundings, the people, and I did it many times. Over 10 times I have changed the people around me. And now I'm in a space that all the people that I have rejected in the past, or who have rejected me, are my friends, and I am able to communicate with them. I am able to have good relationships with them because I don't care anymore. And also I'm older. Yes, that's another thing. But I don't care anymore about those social constructs. And one of the things that taught me how to get rejected was when I began to sell my own product, offering my business to people. Oh, I'm doing sound healing concerts. Okay, what's that? Oh, I'm playing a gong and it's blah 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 blah. And people like, okay, blah blah. And I learned to have my pitch. And also I learned to enjoy when someone did not like my offer. I had always another offer. Oh, okay, I'm not interested in the sounds. Okay, but I have a car. Do you want to buy my car? No, I don't want to have a car. Oh, but you need some consulting services. You are so grumpy. No, I'm not grumpy. Oh, okay. So you see, when you learn the art of being told no, you don't care anymore, and you can offer anything to other people. And it translates into your private life, it translates into the personal life. Because when we grow in our work life, we are able to be better at our personal life. So go get rejected, go enjoy it, and you will be a great person. And if you're wondering why I'm like moving like this around, because ants are biting my toes. I'm accidentally standing on an ant hive, so no problem, but I'm focused to get this video completed. And you see, that's also an art of not giving a shit. You see, the second principle is holding your focus and not caring about the ants that are attacking you or the opinions of other people. You are holding your focus to live the best life that you can. Doing things that are really aligned with your real purpose. And I have told in other videos of how to find your purpose, but I can tell you in a few words. Go look what you did naturally while in kindergarten, while you were a child, and find your strengths, and you can do whatever you want. I have tried to be a footballer, a musician, a public speaker, a sound healer, a businessman. I tried to sell hardware materials and materials for building materials. And always when I'm in my zone, in my focus, I can be anything. I can be an extrovert or an introvert, because my focus and my goal are larger than life, because they are serving other people. So the third principle is about serving other people, solving their problems. We become great, and we tend to have anything that we need or we want, because we are offering our services and we are offering the great value to other people. And it's not like, oh, I got this thing, that's so good. No, shut up. No. Never say your thing is so good, then you're fucking American. No. You are saying, how can I help you? How can I be in service to you? Would you like to have some cup of coffee? No. Oh, but do you like cacao? No. But tea with my milk? No. You don't want anything to drink? No. Okay. But something to eat? You see how it goes. You just ask questions. You have to find out what other person desires. And if you're selling something, then it's about interactions. Take on your Facebook's friends and ask from everyone. Make an offer to them. Would you like this? Would you like to have a better life? It's all about transformation. And when you're in this soul focus, you don't anymore care, are you afraid of people or no? Because you have learned how to get rejected, and you have learned that the thing you are trying to offer is greater than life, it's greater than you, and you cannot resist it anymore because you have a fire burning in your heart. I hope you enjoyed this video. Push subscribe and check out the 8 exercises for voice in description. Bye.